my lovelies, happy Sunday. It's a rainy and gloomy day here in Georgia, so no time like the present to get some DIY projects under my belt. I don't know if you guys know this, we had two trees fall through our sunroom and do some damage in the last hurricane. So our life has been a little chaotic. I think it's time to bring on the Christmas cheer. So today I am gonna make my fall wreath, turn my fall wreath here into a Christmas wreath that August is gonna help me with as well. We are gonna make a little peace ring, and I'm gonna give you a little DIY tutorial. I've never done this, and but we're gonna cover it with Christmas lights and hang it up on our front door. Time to bring on that Christmas cheer. So stay tuned. Okay, first thing on the agenda, pull off all of these little leaves. And I love this wreath. I made this like a few years back, but we're gonna store everything. We can remake this. It's super easy. All right, I'll be storing these guys for next year, and I've sent August to find me some sticks, so he brought me these so far. We're gonna get a few extras just to make sure we have enough. But making the peace sign wreath. Do you see it? Do you see it? All right, a few more sticks and we're about to start. Here's the thing that I did. I laid out some sticks according to the sizes for my little peace sign. I'm going to wrap with metal wire in 3 different areas to keep the sticks together. And then I will wrap those sticks to the circle with wire as well. And that should hold pretty strong for the season. And then we will cover it in Christmas lights. I am using baling wire to wrap the sticks in. This is what just Josh had in his little garage workshop. And use these pliers to cut the wire. So yeah, that should do it. Okay, so baling wire may not have been the right choice for this project. If you have other wire that's not covered in grease, I suggest using that. Probably some little Christmas wire would do. But hey, the hubby had it on hand, so I grabbed it. This washes off. But look, it's looking cute. I secured it at 3 different spots in the middle, and now I'm about to secure the sides. All right, we are finally onto the pretty part. I am using these lights that are battery operated, and I'm gonna wrap them around the whole wreath. I might need to go to Target and get a few more. Okay, I'm back. I ran off to Target, grabbed these lights really quickly, and let's hope they work. I only got 4 of them, so they are a lot larger than the dewdrop ones, so I'm hoping that they cover more space and will be a success. All right, you guys, there we have it. It's done. Gonna hang it up and wait for it to turn dark and to see if it really looks good. But I think it looks cute. Let me know what you all think.